All right. Well, as your mentor, it's only right I tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Joseph. Some of you may know me as JB. Some of you may know me as One Dream, One Lifestyle, Dream One Lifestyle. Each to their own. It doesn't really matter what you call me. We're all here to make money, change our families' lives and change our own life, live the lifestyle that you really want to live. Um, how long have I been trading for? I've been trading for since 2015. I couldn't calculate the years, but I've been trading since 2015. I've really and truly, I started by myself, but obviously, when you're doing some stuff, my brother got involved in trading as well. So he kind of showed me another broker to trade with, which was CMC Markets. They really liked him because he started winning some money and then sent him a wine bottle and stuff like that. The reason why I started, I know I got a sidetracked there in a little bit, but the reason why I started was because yeah, like why wouldn't you want to start trading? I saw an advert. I saw binary options first, to be honest. It was IQ options. I saw that first, and I said, "Rah, you know what? Making money in what 30 seconds, I think, is what was the advert." I said, "Rah, why not? Let me try that." I had some spare money laying around. Let me throw it in there. Threw it in there. It didn't go. It didn't go how I expected it to go. I made some money, but I lost all it all. That account was blown. Um, and then obviously, like I said, with my brother, he found CMC markets, and then the story goes on from there. Um, the journey you're going to experience, really and truly, it's not going to be the same because I had to go through multiple videos, multiple stages, ups and downs. I went through like so many strategies. I've been through RSI strategy. I've been through just the basic trend line and support and resistance. I've been through the MACD strategy. I've been through the EMAs and then the MAs strategy. So I'm here to basically give you the shortcut. There's no shortcut in trading, but this really and truly, having a mentor, having someone that can provide you with a masterclass at a reasonable price, that is really and truly the shortcut that everyone deserves and everyone should get. Obviously, nowadays we're getting it all on YouTube, but some people are holding back. So hopefully this teaches you, not even hopefully, this will teach you everything you need to know and everything I was missing on my journey. And that is another reason why I choose to continue, because I want to teach people how to trade. Like I see friends and family, they want to know how to trade. I'm open to teach them how to trade. I'm open to teach strangers how to trade. Like if you email me, if you message me, someone you already have, I'm open to talk. And if you want help here and there, same thing goes. If now that you've paid for the masterclass, just message me. I'll help you. Any questions you've got, anything you want to, you know, talk to me about, I'm here to help. Um, and that's another reason why I continue. Not because obviously the lifestyle I'm building for myself, but the lifestyle that I can see others gain for themselves and the network that I can build for myself. Do you know what I mean? Like, people that want to invest capital, they can come and talk to me. People that want to, generate capital for themselves, they can come and talk to me and learn from me and do it for themselves, build their own businesses, build their own companies. Trading might not be your main thing, but it can be something to help you get started and chase that dream that you've always wanted. What I have planned for the future, really and truly, I have boot camps. I've written a list of boot camps that I want to do. I really need to get into the YouTube space a bit better, show a bit more of the lifestyle, show that this trading stuff actually does work for people. You know what I mean? Like not just the lifestyle, but also behind the scenes of how to get to the stage that everyone wants to get at. A holdings company, of course, if you got capital that you need and you're not just trying to put in some stock to wait for it to do 2% a year, I want to be the guy that you can come to and you can invest in, and the guy that you can trust with your capital, not just some any guy that is saying, yeah, give me your money. No, I'm trying to make a name for myself. Do you know what I mean? Like this is what we all have planned for the future. Build a solid brand and name for ourselves so that people can trust us. What else? For my students, hopefully I can, depending on where the location is, it doesn't even matter where the location is, fly you out, spend some time together, actually enjoy, each other's company and, just build like a good foundation together where, alright, cool, I came from this place and we're growing together. You never have to lose contact with me. It doesn't matter, you know. Good vibes only, man. You know, that's the best thing. So if you don't already know where to find me, you can find me at Instagram, One Dream, One Lifestyle. You'll find me on TikTok, One Dream, One Lifestyle. You can find me on Snapchat, Dream One Lifestyle. You can find me on Twitter, Dream One Lifestyle. And if you're trying to find me on Telegram, if you don't already have me on Telegram, it is looking for Jay. So contact me, get to know me, and I'll get to know you. And let's, let this money tree grow, man. Shit.